splashing pretty relaxed like Christmas time. You're completely safe. This is how the car gets its wash. It's how it's going to get all the dust and the dirt. And it has to scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub. There's a little green frog swimming in the water. Little green frog swimming in the bathtub. Hold it. That's the wrong song. There was a little frog. His name was Tiny Tim. He swam up in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water. He drank up all the soap, and then he burped last night with a bubble in his throat. Brr, brr, brr. Gotta get all the sand off. All the bird poop. All bird poop. And the squirrel poop. And the slug poop. Okie poop. You want to sing a song? It's almost done. It's almost done. You're completely safe. See, safe. You know how safe Frosty is. Mama wouldn't let anything hurt you. It's just really loud, funny sounding noises. It's scrubbing. It's scrubbing. You know how I get the baby wipe and I scrub and scrub around your mouth to get the chocolate off? And the cereal bar off? And the cupcake frosting off? Well, that's what this is doing. It's going scrub, 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 scrub. Scrub, 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 scrub. Scrub, 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 scrub. Oh, getting all the chocolate milk off the Frosty. You know how hard I have to scrub to get the chocolate milk off the corners of your mouth? I go scrub, scrub. That's what those brushes are doing. It's trying to get all that chocolate milk off Frosty. What? Scrub-a-dub-dub. 10 pigs in a tub. There was the tuba player, the sailor, the pirate, the little girl and the ballerina in her tube. There was the one with the beach ball. And am I missing any of the pigs? The surfboard pig. And then what happened? They were all in the bathtub. And they...
Is that Wayne?
You know Mama's hair dryer? This is just like Mom's hair dryer. No, Puppy Grandma's hair dryer. Puppy Grandma, she uses the hair dryer all the time. Every day she uses that hair dryer, doesn't she? And this is what it's doing. It's drying Frosty. So Frosty isn't cold. You know how you get out of the bathtub and you're so cold because you're wet? Wow, this is like a big warm towel, and it's blowing Frosty so she's warm. She's gonna be all warm and toasty. Well, when we see the flashing green light, it means go. Right now it's telling us to stop, 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 don't move, don't move. We're still drying Frosty. Still drying Frosty. Almost done. Except Frosty doesn't use a lot of hairspray like Puppy Grandma does. Frosty goes a la natural. Those are the vents. Those are the hairdryer vents. Look at that big red hair. That's like a big red hairbrush. I think we're almost done. Frosty's gonna look so clean and beautiful. Time to go. Say bye-bye, car wash. Bye-bye, car wash.
Honey, all clean.
She's all clean.
Now I can get gas.
Now we can go get gas. You did awesome. Thank you for going to the car wash with me.
Look, car wash.
Good job. Big car wash. Now we just gotta clean her out.